How to use a credit card responsibly. Actually, the only way to use a credit card. I love credit cards for many reasons: to build your credit, to shop online with ease and in store, and for the rewards that some of them may offer and points for groceries or travel. What about emergencies, you may ask? No, you do not use your card for emergencies at all. That's what an emergency savings fund is for. Plan and save for your emergencies. You know they're going to happen. They always do. But you also know that things will happen. Like, you will need tires for your vehicle. Your roof will need changing in about 10 years, whatever it might be. The important thing is that you have money set aside for emergencies or future large expenses. Credit cards are not for that. Now, what I hate about credit cards is what I avoid: the massive interest. I mean, 20+%. It's insane. It's absolute highway robbery and the biggest financial trap. Now, here is how you use a credit card to your advantage without any downside. Number one, get a free credit card, no annual fees. Get a credit card that offers rewards such as travel, groceries, etc. Number two, very important, if you have $10 and you want to buy something that is $10, yes, you can use your credit card. If you do not have the $10 in cash, do not buy it at all. Do not put it on your credit card. Do not buy it. Basically, if you're purchasing something and you cannot pay it off completely by the end of the month or before, not just the minimum payment, do not purchase that item. And number three, my personal rule: I do not, if at all possible, outside of my mortgage, pay interest, especially on credit cards. 21, 22, 24%. It's asinine. If you just pay the minimum, you will not be able to get out of that debt. It will be just too difficult. So pay off your credit cards. No interest paid, and you get the rewards. I like to have 2 credit cards at the max. One Visa, one MasterCard. Covers the bases, keeps things simple. I can stay organized and keep track of my funds. Hope that helps.